Type Regitic in the search bar, and proceed by clicking on the registry editor with the blue icon or just press enter. Now browse the following path, right-click on the Windows Defender folder key, then select New and click on DWORD, 32-bit, value. Name the key Disable Anti-Spyware and press enter. Double-click the newly created key and set the value from 0 to 1. Now click OK. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.